Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to draw set profile of both male and female heads. Let's get started.
Drawing a circle first, and then add a cross line to the middle of the circle. Dividing the vertical line into 6 equal parts, and add one additional 1/6 line below the circle. Now, let's set up the positions for the lips and the mouth. We now have line of hairline, eyebrow, nose base, and chin. I'm setting up the position of the eye. Roughly drawing a face shape below the circle. Cool! The template is set up now. Basically, we just drew a similar template that I showed to you in the previous video for front-facing portrait. If you would like to understand more about the template of human face proportions, please feel free to click the link in the descriptions. Based on the template, let's draw the profile of the face. The side profile of a person features 4 prominent points: eyebrow arch, the tip of the nose, the cupid's bow of the lips, and the chin. The side profile of a person also exhibits 3 recessed areas: the junction of the nose and forehead, the philtrum, and the crease below the lower lip. The eye shape is triangular. Please keep in mind the facial contours of women tend to be softer, such as the forehead and the chin. Now, we are drawing the hair. I'm designing the flow of the hair first. This is the key of drawing the hair. Also, it's always good to get some reference photos to follow. I start the inking process now.
Now, let's switch the gears and move on to the male set profile head.
Follow the same steps as before, but this time we will focus on creating more defined and angular features. The facial contours of males tend to be more rugged with pronounced angles. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Happy drawing. Bye.